Bathroom demo time. This once was a closet. This will become a shower. This here and the original shower next door will all become one shower because it's just a shower for tiny people at the moment, and I would like to make it a shower for everyone. So anytime you're taking a wall down, you want to really be very sensitive and start with your hands. Don't go in and do anything big or drastic until you know where the pipes are. Ultimately, you just want to be really careful when you're dealing with plumbing. All right, so next we are going to get rid of this temporary shower stall. Leave the top screw last so it doesn't fall on you and you have some support in the wall. Once you're all unscrewed, do the top one last. It's really important to paint your wall before your toilet goes in and before your new sink goes in. Otherwise, it's really hard to get behind those tough small spaces. I'm gonna give mine nice 2 coats of paint so that when they put the toilet in, we're good to go. Check out these beautiful brand new tiles. New toilet, low flow water. New vanity. New mirror. New windows. These are really beautiful privacy screens that I installed, super easy to do. A stunning new light fixture in the colors of the bathroom. We have one beautiful modern shower. New tile, floor to ceiling, and we added some really fun features that I want to share with you. One of them being the faucet on the entrance side. You turn on the shower before you get in, and once it's the temperature that you want, you get right in and you take your shower. I also added a ledge in the shower so that you can put your soap, your shampoo, all the items that you need in the shower right here. And look at all the space! We are gonna demo the fireplace. This beautiful baby blue mantle and pink marble just doesn't match the overall aesthetic for the living room. So we're gonna take this bad boy out. So here we are doing some space prep, which is where you lay the tiles out with the spacers to show what the grout will look like before it goes up on the wall. Because I'm making one continuous stripe, we needed to make sure that we space them out so the stripe pattern continues. So we'll have to cut all of the 4th tile, the middle tile, to fit right in here so that we have our yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow, white. And that's gonna wrap around the side of the fireplace all the way up this beautiful wall. So this is the current kitchen. So what I'm gonna do first is go ahead and get rid of these bad boys, and then I'm gonna knock down this wall here. And the kitchen wall is out. And here's the view now. Come on. New cabinets, new appliances, as well as new lights. I'm very obsessed with this countertop. I mean, the patterns are stunning and beautiful, and it was the inspiration to design the whole kitchen. So we pulled all the colors from this stone in all of our flatware, our glasses, our bowls, our pans. I really wanted this kitchen to be a place that was easy, beautiful, and functional. So I replaced the wall of closed shelves facing the living room where I couldn't see my guests, and I instead replaced them with these beautiful open shelves. So here I can display all my coffee mugs, bowls, plates, wine glasses, so many, you can never have enough wine glasses. Everything you need is out for you to grab.